In this video, I am going to give you a full introduction to the 49 processes that we will use to manage predictive projects. It might seem overwhelming, but it is crucial to understand these processes, but not to memorize them. You don't need to know every detail of these ITTOs for any exam, whether it's PMP, CAPM, or even in real life. What you will need is to recognize and understand what these processes are. For example, if someone says, let's do a qualitative analysis, or we need to create a management plan, you need to know what that means. Understanding is more valuable than memorization. History and source of process. Before we discuss deep into processes, let's talk about their origin. In the PMBOK Guide 6th edition, there are 49 processes outlined for managing predictive projects. These processes are still relevant today. Although PMBOK Guide 7th edition is more generic and doesn't specify processes, PMI has preserved these 49 processes in a new book called Process Groups: A Practice Guide. This guide was published in 2023. From this guide, we'll derive the content for managing predictive projects. PMI suggests these processes are best practices on most projects, most of the time. They are recommended but not mandatory. For your exam, you should assume they are always followed. These 49 processes are divided into 5 groups, that is, initiating, authorizing the project, planning, developing the project management plan, executing, performing the project work, monitoring and controlling, ensuring the work stays on track, closing, finalizing all project activities. The initiating process group includes 2 processes, that is, develop the project charter, authorizes the project, identifying stakeholders. Planning. The planning process group comprises 24 processes that cover everything from the scope management to risk management, ensuring a detailed plan before the starting of the work. Executing. Executing involves 10 processes related to performing the project work, such as acquiring, managing the team, and ensuring resources are in place. Monitoring and controlling. Monitoring and controlling include 11 processes to track and regulate the project's performance, ensuring it stays on the scope, on budget, and on schedule. Closing. Closing involves one process, that is, close the project or phase, which formally completes the project, releases the team, archives records, and transfers the deliverables. Now let us see how to apply these processes. These 49 processes apply to every phase of project, whether you are in design, development, testing, or implementation phase. Each phase involves its own cycle of initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing. For example, during the design phase, you will initiate, plan, and execute the design work, monitor and control the design activities, and then close design phase before moving into the development. Remember, these 49 processes are designed to help you manage your project efficiently. While not every project will use 49 processes, understanding them is crucial for your exam and practical project management. These processes provide a framework for delivering successful projects in a structured manner. As we proceed, we will examine each of these 49 processes in detail, exploring their inputs, tools, techniques, and outputs. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the detailed explanation of these processes.